A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events, officials from the District of Columbia and the U.S. Justice Department have reached a tentative agreement to limit President Donald Trump's controversial attempt to take control of the city's police force. This negotiation, prompted by a federal judge's intervention, has led to the decision that D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser's appointed police chief, Pamela Smith, will retain her command over the Washington Metropolitan Police Department. However, the role of Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, head Terry Cole, who was designated as the Emergency Police Commissioner by U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi, remains uncertain as discussions continue. The situation has escalated tensions between the heavily Democratic D.C. government and the Republican administration, with D.C. Attorney General Brian Schwalb stating that the order was unlawful and could not be executed by the city's police force. Mayor Bowser expressed her disapproval, highlighting that no federal official has the legal authority to oversee the district's personnel matters. In response to the Takeover declaration, D.C. filed a lawsuit in federal court, asserting that the administration's actions represent a serious threat to the autonomy granted to the district under the Home Rule Act. This act allows the president to assume control of federal law enforcement for a limited period, but the legality of Trump's actions is now under scrutiny. The president's rationale for deploying the National Guard and increasing federal law enforcement presence in D.C. stems from concerns about rising crime rates. However, critics argue that crime has actually declined in recent years, raising questions about the motives behind the sudden enforcement measures. As the National Guard is activated to assist local law enforcement, their role has been defined as supportive rather than arresting individuals directly. The administration's approach has drawn mixed reactions, with some viewing it as an overreach of federal authority. The situation has also led to reports of increased scrutiny and displacement of the homeless population in the capital, a move that has sparked protests and concerns about the treatment of vulnerable communities. The unfolding developments in D.C. reflect a larger national conversation about policing, federal authority, and the balance of power between local and federal governments. As the legal battle continues, the implications of this takeover attempt could have lasting effects on governance in the capital and beyond. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.